When you go to a traditional wall, now you start seeing when things start hitting speed bumps, right? To be able to achieve the similar wall, just like my colleague mentioned, a 1 hour firewall with a traditional wall, now you're looking to add your gypsum sheathing, right? We're gonna need that WRB for your air and water and vapor barrier. And now you hit what I call as your first speed bump. You're gonna need a furring to push out and be able to accommodate for the insulation. Now that furring, while it's not shown exactly this way here, to be able to comply with the energy code, you're gonna need that to be thermally broken. That is an additional third-party testing and engineered material that is going to add cost and a little bit of more labor practice to be able to install properly. Now you have then the insulation, which is, again, worth stopping and mentioning. The insulation, while we call it continuous insulation, it's not going to be truly continuous as you see with ArmorWall. It's going to be broken up by that furring laterally. Once you have that insulation, you can go into what I call run-of-the-mill furring. So in this case, a hatch channel. What I mean by that is anything you can buy like in a building material supply. But yet it's another material that you add. And once you lay that out, then you can install the cladding with the aesthetic look that you're trying to achieve. Even then, it's worth noting that the layout will be a little bit more time consuming, given that the vertical or the track for the vertical installation needs its own furring, but then you got to offset not at a consistent dimension the first clip. After that, you will be able to space it out, probably at a consistent spacing, but where the panel ends, you have a compression joint for the building, or you have a change in aesthetics, you're gonna have to break again and offset with another furring. So all in all, you're looking at, as a summary, you're looking about 3 to 4 revolutions around the wall and finish your product versus anything from 6 to 8. So and that's where we have that big value proposition of time, cost, and labor.